Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to give you a look at this electric grater and I'm going to show you all of the different attachments and how it performs. They do provide a convenient cleaning brush as well as a multi-peeling tool with different cutting styles, and the user guide was simple and easy to understand, so let's get started. To remove the cutting body, just press in the release button and twist, then remove the cutting cone body and vegetable pusher. You can see the black divided safety cover here on the top of the cutting body. This can be removed if needed. Then the cutting body can be replaced by twisting it and locking it in place, and you can take the cutting cone body and swap the attachment pieces by gently pulling from the bottom to detach the current ones. Now, I mistakenly put on the large shredder attachments when I meant to put on the fine shredders. So here's a look at how that went and the moment I realized my mistake. Luckily, I was able to reuse this cheese and place in the grater attachments and redo it, and it turned out decently well. It would have probably been a little bit better if it was a regular block of cheese, but all things considered, it really did great. So now let's give the fine shredder attachments a try. Just put them in the cone body and then twist and lock that into the cutter body. I'm trying this with some Parmesan cheese that I cut to fit, and this did so wonderful. Having the right attachment and it being in block form certainly makes a difference, and my family loved having this freshly shredded cheese. Next, I'm trying out the straight slicer and following all the same steps. However, I'm trying this with cucumber, starting by slicing it in half and putting both in with the safety cap in place. It handled this with ease, so I removed the safety cap and tried with a whole cucumber. Again, it did this so fast and with absolutely no issue. This certainly beats doing it by hand. Up next is the wavy slicer. I wanted to try this with some sweet potato, so I first used the included peeler and peeled about half of the potato, and it worked like a charm. I left some of the skin on to see how the grater would handle it. So I put the attachments in and left the safety cap out so that it could fit. And this one did cut well, but I did have to reposition the potato every so often to help it continue to cut. And last but not least, I tried the thick shredder attachments again, this time with a more fitting item, so I used the remaining sweet potato, and it did incredible. Everything about this has truly impressed me. I love how simple and easy it is to use. I love all the different attachments, and it's surprisingly simple to clean and care for with just some warm soapy water on the detachable parts. So if you guys were looking for a remarkable cheese grater and vegetable cutter all in one, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. This is definitely something I will be using often, and if you guys decide to try it, I hope you love it as much as I do.